In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in New York. Review the current LLC records. Check your existing LLC documentation to ensure all your information is accurate before you make any changes to your address. Obtain the certificate of change form. Get the form DOS 1336 from the New York Department of State or Division of Corporation. Fill out the form, provide your LLC's name, your old address, the new address you're going to, and the signature of a member or authorized representative from your firm. Prepare the filing fee. Check the current fee of the New York Department of State website and be prepared to pay it in full by check or by credit card. Submit the full form. Send the completed form and the payment to the New York State Department, either by mail or online if available. Verify your address is updated. Once processed, confirm that your LLC's address has been updated in the official state records. Then keep what file for yourself. Now you know how to change your LLC's address in New York. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.